Hi, in this video we will look at Betheme global options. Go to WordPress dashboard, then click Betheme options. Here you will see global as first option. Under layout option you can change the site layout to box or full width. Here is the site boxed layout. You can control the site width here. This concerns the general look of shortcodes or items. Here you can select the background image for the website. Choose one or more elements on the website to be transparent. At last, upload the favicon image and Apple Touch icon. Now move to logo option. Here you can add normal and sticky header logo. You can also choose to insert text. It will appear instead of the default logo image. By default, the logo height is set to 60 px. You can change it here as you wish. This section is responsible for styling almost all buttons in Betheme. You can use default, round and flat, or use the custom button option. You can adjust background and text color here. You can set a timeout for each slider using milliseconds. Here you can adjust navigation and share box shown on blog and shop page. Here you can adjust default padding, builder visibility, and hover effect. Under options you need to add map API key to make the Google Map work. Under theme functions, you can disable Betheme post types. So these are the main functions in global options. Hope you liked the video.